What'd you just do? Show me. Look what I can do. Oh yeah. You can't do that. Dang. Oh yeah. Okay, I got an H. Howdy. All right. I need a few more cc's to pull this off. Ready? All right. Oh! Check out my form. Shit! There's zero wheelie control. It's like a half of a crank.
Exactly. Less pull, more crank.
I think I need to top off. So then. Go off it. You get yourself on the power pass. I max passed you.
Keep your outside line. Keep your outside line.
Well, we're out here on the Bayou Levee, and we are cruising on a mountain bike. Leased, not owned. It's his bike, and we're just fooling around. And trying to get some exercise in. Clean that mud off. I think this is the tough part of the trail. Here, that's what we want. Right there. We're burning enough cows. Oh yeah, that's nice. So, I have some unfortunate news. That is that the 1000cc bike is in the shop, which is why you haven't seen as much of her lately. But rest assured, I think she's in good hands, I think. And we should know more very soon. Went in for the 7,000 mile tune-up. had some other issues, as you know, or don't know. And we're just working through those. So looks like it's break time. It's pretty nice out here. Come on, Slacker. I'm ready. He blew it. He blew it.
No, he's not gonna drive.
Oh no, he blew it. He's gonna gas out, folks. He's gonna gas out.
Fire.
Huh?
Fire.
He doesn't have the right lines. He doesn't have the right lines. No pumping. That looks like pumping to me. Hi there, on your left. Whew. Huh? All right, get evened up. I need a rest. Where?
Take it right. Take your inside line.
Almost low-sided.
That's how high the water is.
Okay, go ahead. Let's do it. Mash down there, full speed. Oh shit, there's water.
Yeah, that's how high the water is.
Think we can make it? You first. That looks like a lot of us. Huh?
I can make it.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Where are you going? Okay. Hold on a sec. Hold on. Hold on.
Give my line.
Don't let me fuck with your... You're not gonna drop in? All right.
Right here.
Okay. All right. Well then. Hold on, just let me check it out. Hold on. I don't think it's got support. Okay, hold on. All right. I'm just saying, you got 6 inches at least, plus current.
All right.
Let it be known, I'm letting you know you don't have to ride your own ride. Just let me film it. Yeah, boy! All right. It's tougher to come back. Do I gotta do it?
You don't want to.
Come back.
This is the hard part. I don't split.
Just set up on that grass over there, the opposite grass. On the right.
I got it.
Keeps.
Oh, God. I was spinning. I'm gonna be spinning. I'm stuck.
Hold on. I got you.
All right.
All right.
Grab the bike. Grab on the bike.
I got it. Right on.
Hit it.
Well,
Now I'm thoroughly soaked.
you really are the true MVP. We are lions. I'm going to the far side. Oh yeah, okay. All right. This is a technical move. Oh, he's down, folks. You all right? You hit your shin? Oh no! Oh no! Here, I'll throw you the bikes. You all right? Oh, oh shit! There's like a bunch of rocks.
Alright. Get my bike. Holy shit.
I'm sure this is a bad idea.
Alright, hold on, let's down. Oh god. Alright, come down.
All right.
Hey, use the bike.
Dude, this bike's so light. You have such an advantage.
There's a snake right next to it, so move.
Really?
Yeah, that's why I dropped it and ran.
Oh, did you get bit?
Huh?
Did you get bit?
I don't know. I dropped it and ran.
Probably harmless. I got it.
Set it down. No, set the bike down. Put the water. Put the bike in the water. Come down. Hit the back brake. Hold the back brake.
You got
Hit
it.
the bike.
All right. So it'll take you down with me.
Come on.
I'm pretty savvy, bro.
All right.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, dumb. As soon as we get off of the rocks, fucking man, there's probably a lot of snakes in here. I looked down and as soon as I looked down, there's a fucking snake right below my foot.
Snake?
Yeah.
Shit.
You would just jump off my bike and run like a bitch, but there's not a snake.
Yeah. I'm glad you said it. No pumping though, okay?
I mean, I can't sit down.
Here, I'll get down lower.
All the way.
Hell no.
All the way.
It's too low.
Yeah, let's do this one fast.
Where are we going? I think I went the wrong way. No, it's the wrong way. Dude, I'm telling you, turn around. Google knows.
Let's go.
What are you saying?
There's these trails that go down this thing, right?
Yeah.
Up here, some on the left, there's a trail that's really steep.
Oh, careful. Howdy. You don't drop in on anything. Show me.
There's a road car down there?
Yeah.
At the branch, there was like a little dirt pile built up right there. They had a jump that just eroded away. And I hit that shit so fast.
All right, let's get these.
Dark.
Let's get this race on. You're gonna stand up. All right. Go. No, you can't stand up.
I'm standing the whole time.
Hold up. Okay, then I can stand up. All right. Whoa. Streakers. Oh yeah. lower dirt, bro. I'm out of gas for that shit. Oh, the Marquez. Oh. He does say to go that way.
Yeah.
All right. Long road home. Huh? No, dude. We're doing this. Just for a little bit. At least it's downhill this way. Oh, that's way too muddy. We're running reds, baby. This way. This way. Running reds. Yeah. Well, bros, that's gonna be it. Just wrapping up the mountain bike ride, if you call it that. The trail ride. And I will see you guys soon. Later, bros.